Alright, and here are the results. Mulch. Just a quick mulch job. Mini nugget. Fastest way to make a big difference: get a landscape cleanup and a remulch. And now they're gonna reinstall the playground equipment on top of the mulch in the back. So this is really the payoff that I get out of doing these projects, is we get to help the family enjoy the back yard much more. There used to be a big tree here in the way, and now it's not there, and so this whole area is now much more open, and the family can come back here and enjoy it. There was a tree, we took the tree out, and this whole area has now been mulched really thick so the kids can play and not worry about getting hurt. There were stumps here, we took them out. Some old palmetto shrubs, they're now gone, and we just mulched the entire backyard and trimmed up all the trees, and now they can make some more memories and enjoy their family back here, man. So that's really what it's all about. And when we come in to do your landscape, we take it so seriously, and it's like we're at the event with you in a way. We're not there awkwardly hanging out with your family, strangely hanging out in the corner. We're not there in that way, but we're there because we're the landscape. We're there as the landscape, hanging out. So thank you for trusting us when you give us a call at 904-321-9181 to do your landscaping. This one is done. We're on to the next one. Stay tuned, subscribe, share, comment. That's something else right there you can do. Comment, let me know what you think about this one. Go into the comment section, let me know, give me your feedback. This was a quick job, not a big budget project. It's a quick cleanup and mulch. Thanks for checking out the video. Till next time. Peace.